minus 5x1 plus 13x2 minus 7x1 plus 16x2. Find the matrix for the transformation T with respect to the basis B equal to u1 u2 for R2 and B dash is equal to v1 v2 v3 for R3, where u1 is equal to 3 1, u2 is equal to 5 2 and v1 v2 v3 are these three vectors. v1 is 1 0 minus 1, v2 is minus 1 2 2, v3 is 0 1 2. So T from R2 to R2, R2 to R3, right? So just first of all try to understand the question. Find the matrix for the transformation T with respect to the basis B for R2, okay, and B dash for R3. So using the given transformation T, obtain T of u1. What is T of u1? Put 3 and 1 in this definition. So we get minus x2, that is minus 1, minus 5 into 3, that is minus 15 plus 13 into 1. So minus 15 plus 13, that is minus 2, and then minus 7 into 3 plus 16 into 1. So minus 7 into 3, that is minus 21 plus 16, that is minus 5. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 5. So T of u1 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 5. T of u2. What is T of u2? 5 2. u2 is equal to 5 2. So T of 5 2, that is equal to minus 2 minus 5 into 5, that is minus 25 plus 13 into 2, that is 26. So minus 25 plus 26, that is 1, and then minus 7 into 5, that is minus 35 plus 16 into 2, that is 32. So minus 7 into 5, that is minus 35 plus 32, that is minus 3. So you can see T of u1 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 and T of u2 is equal to minus 2 1 minus 3, right? Now we can express as a linear combination of v1 v2 v3, right, this vector, because v1 v2 v3 are basis vector for R3 from the statement of the example, right? So now minus 1 minus 2 minus 5, this is a basis, this vector can be expressed as linear combination of v1 v2 v3. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 5, that is equal to a v1 plus b v2 plus c v3, that is equal to a into 1 0 minus 1 plus b into minus 1 2 2 plus c into 0 1 2. So that is equal to a minus b 2b plus c and minus a plus 2b plus 2c. So comparing this to equation, we get a minus b is equal to minus 1, 2b plus c is equal to minus 2 and minus a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to minus 5, right? So a minus b is equal to minus 1, 2b plus c is equal to minus 2, minus a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to minus 5. Solving these three equations using matrix, right? Here I just write down the directly solution of these three equations, but if you want to solve this three equation, you have to use matrix, right? Augmented matrix, convert that augmented matrix into a row echelon form, and from that row echelon form you can easily solve these three equations, right? Now we have already solved so many examples for a linear system of equations, so I just write down here directly the solution of these three equations, right? So the solving these three equations, we get a is equal to minus 1 by 3, b is equal to minus 2 by 3, just only 2 by 3, and c is equal to minus 10 by 3. So T of u1 is equal to minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and minus 10 by 3, okay. T of u2, let's try to find T of u2. So again, what is our next element? T of u2 is minus 2 1 minus 3, right? So T of u2, that is minus 2 1 minus 3, that is also can be expressed as linear combination of v1 v2 v3. So minus 2 1 minus 3, that is equal to a v1 plus b v2 plus c v3, and that is equal to a minus b 2b plus c minus a plus 2b plus 2c, right? This column vector are same, right? You can see a minus b, 2b plus c minus a plus 2b plus 2c, that is exactly the same column vector because we have used same basis vector for R3, right? So the right hand part is same, just change is the left hand part, right? Minus 2, so a minus b is equal to minus 2, 2b plus c is equal to 1, minus a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 3. So solving these three equations, we get a is equal to minus 5 by 3, b is equal to 1 by 3 and c is equal to also 1 by 3. So t of u2, the coordinate vector corresponding to t of u2, that is equal to minus 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay. So the matrix of the transformation T with respect to the basis B and B dash is given by A is equal to T, B, B dash, that is equal to minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 10 by 3, minus 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay. So here is the complete the solution. Next question. Question 4b. This question also asked in 5 marks. T from R2 to R2 is defined by T of x1 x2, that is equal to x1 minus 2 x2 minus x2. B of B is u1 u2, b dash is v1 v2 v3, u1 is 1 0, u2 is 0 1, v1 is 2 1, v2 is minus 3 4. Okay. Find the matrix of T with respect to the basis B. Okay. This b dash is only just v1 and v2. Okay. So not v3. So here is the correction. Find the matrix of T with respect to the basis B. So that is our first question. So B is equal to u1 u2, that is 1 0 and 0 1. So T of 1 0, what is T of 1 0? From this definition, 1 and 0, right? T of 1 0, that is exactly the 1 0. And T of 0 1, what is T of 0 1? From this definition, put the value of x1 is 0 and x2 is 1. So 0 minus 2, that is minus 1. Sorry, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, and 0 1, that is minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1. Since B is the standard basis, we can directly write the matrix of transformation, right? Because 1 0, right? So 1 0 can be expressed as linear combination of the 1 0 0 1. So that is 1 into 1 and 0. The coordinate vector is 1 and 0. So 1 0 and minus 2 minus 1, that is also can be expressed as linear combination of u1 u2, where u1 is 1 0 and u2 is 0 1. So definitely you will get the coordinate vector is minus 2 minus 1. So that is our second column, that is minus 2 minus 1. Okay. So the first sub part is clear. Next is first question is clear. Second question is find the transition matrix P from B dash to B. Okay. So since B is a standard basis for R2, the transition matrix from B to B dash can be written as Q is equal to 2 minus 3 1 4, right? So what is Q inverse? The inverse of this matrix is just we have to interchange this main diagonal entries 4 and 2 and just change the sign of the another diagonal, that is 3 and minus 1, and then divided by determinant of the given matrix, that is 4 into 2 8 minus 1 into minus 3 into 1, that is 8 plus 3, that is 11. So Q inverse is equal to 1 by 11, 4 3 minus 1 2. So the transition matrix P from B dash to B is given by 1 upon 11 4 3 minus 1 2, that is equal to, the matrix is in 4 by 11, 3 by 11, minus 1 by 11 and 2 by 11. Okay. And the last question is find matrix of T with respect to the basis B dash. That is also, see, since the matrix of T with respect to the basis B dash is given by T of B dash, that is equal to Q inverse T of B into Q. So 1 by 11, that is Q inverse, this matrix is Q inverse, this is our transition matrix T of B, and this is Q. Multiplication of this 3 matrix, it's quite easy to solve. We will get minus 3 minus 56 minus 2 3, right? And whenever we divide it by this matrix divided by 11, we will get the final matrix is minus 3 by 11 minus 56 by 11 minus 2 by 11 and 3 by 11. Okay. Next question, question 4c. Use matrix multiplication to find the reflection of 2 minus 5 3 about the xy plane. So if 2 minus 5 3 is reflection in xy plane, its x and y coordinates remain the same, but its z coordinate will change the sign. So the reflection 2 minus 5 3 in xy plane will be 2 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, x and y coordinate are same, but only the changes in the z coordinate, that is 2 minus 5 minus 3. This can be obtained as follows, because this is a standard matrix for the reflection about the xy plane 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Multiply this standard matrix with the given vector 2 minus 5 3. So clearly we will get the 2 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, so we solve this question paper up to question number 4C. Okay, thank you.